Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making something that I just saw the other day on YouTube, and I'm not sure really what to call it. I guess Italian Parmesan chicken casserole. Basically what you're going to need is some cooked shredded chicken I have right here that I cooked up the other day. A can of cream of chicken. You're supposed to use garlic and herb, but I didn't have that on hand, so they say you can sub it with the Italian dressing. Some sour cream and some shredded Parmesan cheese. And this is optional, but I'm gonna add some dehydrated onion. And it's really simple. It's really all you need. You can add in some veggies if you'd like, but I'm just gonna do the vegetables on the side. I'm gonna get this all mixed together and we're gonna start assembling this now. Alright, so I have everything set to go right here. I just have 2 cups of shredded chicken, cream of chicken. You could do ½ cup or a whole cup of sour cream. I'm just gonna eyeball like a cup's worth. Italian seasoning packet. ½ cup of shredded parm. Like I said, I'm gonna add some of this minced dehydrated onion. And now we're just gonna stir. I have a greased baking dish, 8 by 8, and I'm just gonna plop it in. What you top this with was the shaky Parmesan cheese, and then what they did was they crushed up like the Texas toast croutons and topped it with that. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna do some panko breadcrumbs, or you could do regular breadcrumbs. This is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm gonna do a little bit over ½ cup. Stir it up real good. Get it nicely coated with all that butter. The first time I ever used panko breadcrumbs, I didn't add butter and it didn't get golden, and I didn't understand why, so I've learned since then. I'm gonna add some dried parsley just to give it a little bit of color. Because parsley, I feel like it makes everything look really pretty and presentable. I'm gonna let this cook for probably 35-40 minutes until it's nice and bubbly around the edges. That's how you know it's pretty done. Serving it over mashed potatoes, and I will see you when it is all done. So while my casserole is cooking, I'm gonna show you how to make the best mashed potatoes. I'm just letting these soak out right now, the extra water that's in them. I have the heat on low, just so there's no extra moisture, because that will ruin your mashed potatoes. I do it in a big batch and then I freeze the excess, and then I just do like ice cream scoops onto a pan, and once they're frozen, put them in a bag, and then I have potatoes when I want them. They're really easy to thaw out. I have a cup of half and half, or ½ cup cream, ½ cup milk. 2 sticks of butter that I melted. Teaspoon of seasoned salt and a ¼ teaspoon of pepper. You're gonna want to add a whole stick of cream cheese. This is what makes it so good. And that is how I make my mashed potatoes. I actually got this recipe from the Pioneer Woman, and I've been making it ever since. Here's the casserole, and I already served my son, but I'm about to plate it up for mine. Here's mine. I already tasted it and it's super delicious, and my son loves it as well. So I really hope you guys try this recipe out. Let me know how you like it. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.